my furnace.
Yeah.
And most of these files you cannot use. What you can use is the data log. Into the folder data log is a log file. And the log file is an Excel sheet where I get a lot of information about the furnace. I can see the serial number, I can see the software version, the amount of firings, the CCF value, and I can see everything what happens on this furnace. When you take a look at the date and time, time is your time, it's Vietnamese time,
Yeah.
but you can see I switch it on and off. We changed the network server, we changed the American format, we started different programs, we have started the initial operation. Everything what happened on this furnace today and also in the past I can see in this log file.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is helpful for you, but it's more helpful for me because I'm used to check these log files.
Yeah.
So when I get such a log file, I can really very simple check what happens with this furnace by using different tools. And additional, you can send us this backup. When you send us these files, you must copy all the content of the USB stick into an empty folder. So I copy all these files.
Oh, so much.
What?
You open.
Ah, yeah, okay, yes, because one of them is open.
The log file is open.
You do not like this. So the best way is to rename this folder. And I will find the serial number also in the log file. It's N00624 625. N000625 and maybe also date. Okay, now all the informations out of the backup are in this folder.
Yeah.
But this is too big. So I must compromise this in a zip file. Please use a zip file. Do you know zip file?
Yes, I know.
Some zip file, we are using zip file, so it's simpler for us to work with when we get the backup as a zip file. So in the meantime, I start. I can do this, and also you can do this.
Yeah.
It always depends how the customer is getting in contact with us. Some customers are going directly to us, then we take this information and forward it to you. Normally the customers go in contact with you,
Yes.
and you forward this information to us.
Okay.
So, doesn't mind, you open or the customer is opening the service. And of course we are change the language. Service contact. I want to create a new request. In this case, I asked several times, so my serial number is already in the account. So I open this one. How would you describe the issue? No heat.
Yeah.
For example. Oops. No heat. No heat. Press enter to continue. Have you already contacted a service partner?
I have to fix that now.
No. Please contact the service partner in case that the customer goes in contact with us. See available service partners so the customer can take a look into the different service partners. As you are a service partner, sorry once again.
It's okay.
No, heat again. So, I'm a service partner.
Yeah.
Then you get a list of possible problems.
With the
Heater, thermocouple, lift, hardware, software, pump. It's for us to categorize the different errors. In this case, it's no heat, means a heater error. Is a message displayed? Yes. Heating error 18. Then of course the question, this is also for us for the information, in case of a heating error, the product can't be used normally anymore, or the server. The last service, most of the time more than a year ago. The software. The software at the moment, I showed you the software, yes, of course. I showed you, you can find it in the information button.
in the information.
E. Here you can see it, software version
Yeah.
0102A. So we are collecting informations. Please make a backup of your product, then select how to make it. You can do it online. This is also a step when the furnace is connected to the network. I'm repeating myself, when the furnace is connected to the network, you can do it online and it's solved. When you have no online connection, you can do a backup, but you must transfer it by using zip and so on. And now I go back to I'm searching for my folder. The zip file is ready. So I drag and drop this zip file out of my USB stick.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
simply by drag.
Yeah. Drag and drop,
Drag
but
and
more simple by online. So additional, I can add files. Also helpful are pictures
Or video.
or videos.
Yeah.
No pictures, no videos, no downloads. So you can also add additional information. Because when you directly or the customer directly contact us and is sending us backups or pictures, these pictures, videos and backups are blocked by our internet policy. They come not true. We are not allowed that we open Excel files, pictures or something like that, because it could be a potential dangerous for our environment.
Virus.
A virus or something like that. So this is the reason, when you have a request, please use this tool, online DEKEMA. You can do it. You can also ask the customer, if the customer performed the backup, send the backup directly with this tool. Have you made any changes? No. Submit means okay, everything is ready. Now we can go back and control if everything is okay. Create a new request, yes. Serial number, no heat. I'm a service partner, heater. Message, yes. Error, heating error 18. Okay, everything is fine. Submit. Okay. Now I close this. I go to my DEKEMA account.
Mình buổi sáng chứ, 8 phút Sài Gòn em. Thì mình sáng phút ăn rồi bớt rồi.
So it takes a little time because it goes over the cloud, but I have now the possibility to check all these things, to check the backup in our cockpit. We have the possibility to create a graphical examination of all these files. And for example, you also already have seen them, the yellow points.
Yeah, yellow point. Sounds like because
So
we're interrupted.
yellow points are programs that are interrupted by the customer. So we start all these programs today.
Many.
This was in September, this was already finished. Green means finished. Yellow is started and stopped. And red is with the error. Okay, no, here. This is an error message. So I can check the backup of the furnace and can check what happens. So I can see that this year on the 18th of March was an error on this furnace.
Oh.
So I can examine a lot of things and can tell you as our dealer how to proceed. In this case, I can imagine that there was a problem with the pump or something like that. But I see all the informations out of the last weeks and months. Out of the backup, the last 100 files out of the backup, and when the furnace is connected to the network, more, because every program is uploaded automatically.
Tại cái backup nó sẽ tự up lên kìa. Nó sẽ mỗi lần nó nói cho bạn là
Number